Hello everyone. So we are back here with another episode, and today we have Dr. Pranjan Mitra with us. He is a public health dentist and is the founder of Denta Mitra, a virtual dentistry app. So thank you so much, doctor, for joining us here today.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank
And
you. So let's just start with a basic introduction about yourself. You can tell us about your background and what brought you to start Denta Mitra.
yeah, thank you very much. Basically, I'm a Dr. Pranjan. I'm a public health dentist, and I'm a professor in the reputed dental college in Patiala, and I'm a faculty member there. So I have been 8 years experience in dentistry, and I have been teaching students, undergraduate and postgraduate students in dental domain. And I
Okay.
have got more than 15 international and scientific publications to my credit. And also, I have been the recipient of IHPA, Indian Health Professional Awards in 2017 in the category Public Health Dentistry. So, coming to the app actually, so it was while I was practicing in the dental hospital. So, last year, a patient just walked in. He's a very rural patient actually.
Okay.
So from the rural areas, very poor, very poor patient. So he just walked into the OPD and he just inquired. Since I'm a public health dentist, so I deal regarding the camps and rural areas. So
Okay. Yeah.
that what is create the increasing the dental awareness part. I'm concerned with that department.
All right.
So he just came to the OPD and he asked, "Sir, I have some issues in my teeth and I'm very scared. Maybe it will be a cancer or not." So he was very apprehensive and he was very scared. And he had traveled a lot, like maybe 50, 60 kilometers he had traveled. And
To
where I
reach
was
you.
working, that was a very, sorry.
Okay. He traveled that much to reach you.
No, yeah, I was working in remote dental college, actually,
Okay.
rural sector. The
Okay.
dental hospital was located in the rural sector. Okay,
Okay.
so he came to us and that he was very apprehensive and he told that maybe it is a cancer or not. So I examined the it was just a simple stain. And as you know, in India, many parts of India, there is increase in fluoride in the water
Mm-hmm.
content. Due to that,
Right.
people get stains in the teeth. So it was just a stain. So he was very apprehensive. So he had traveled. He was poor daily wage worker, and he had invested a lot of time and his resources. So after he went, so I just thought of an idea. Is there some technology or something that should come up so that at the home only, in sitting at home, we can diagnose or we can at least get some idea of what lesion or what kind of disease we are having, just like
Mm-hmm.
first aid. We can, if we are having anything serious later on at the next level, we can visit a
Doctor.
dentist.
Right.
So that's how the spark starts from Denta Mitra. And I that concept came up, and then I contacted my very good childhood friend, Mr. Satyajit Pradhan, who is a well-known techpreneur. He is the founder of DigitalNet, a Bangalore-based tech company. So he helped me with the technology part. So we came together. So it is what you can say. It is a combination of summation of dental domain plus technology domain.
Right.
So and hence the name Denta Mitra. So Denta means related to the teeth, and Mitra is like friend. So
Okay.
that's how the idea came up.
That is a really nice idea, I would say. So, doctor, how was your transition from a dentist to becoming an entrepreneur?
Yeah, it was really tough, and it is still tough. It's challenging,
Mhm.
quite challenging. It is a new field. See, as you know, basically we are doctors, and we deal with the patient. But this is all
Hmm.
entrepreneurship is altogether a different domain. So there is a switch of track. Okay, here we are dealing with patients, and there it is a altogether different, altogether uh, different field. So that is the challenge. That was it, because I was not from a business family. I'm from a
Okay.
dental background. So that's where my friend Satyajit, he came up. He's like a mentor and he's a friend to me. And he has also guided me. And basically, what I felt, I actually now I'm. Is it a challenge? It's a challenge also, but at the same time, I'm enjoying it now because
Okay.
it is kind of new experience. Yeah,
Absolutely.
basically we work as a dentist or whatever field, we medical doctors. We are 24 hours or whatever you nine round the clock. We are with the patient. We deal with the disease and solve it. So this entrepreneurship has given me a new way of life to explore my ideas. Okay, and it is just like you go flow with the ideas, whatever you have, and it just grows on, keep on. It was a single idea, and now it has bloomed into various concepts and various features have been incorporated. So with entrepreneurship, you can fly as high as you want and explore yourself basically.
Great. Right. Absolutely. So, what is your competitive advantage and why it cannot be copied?
Yeah, best competitive best thing about Denta Mitra is it is a unique feature. It is the
Okay.
first app, dental app, which is based on artificial intelligence.
Okay.
And basically it is, and as you think about the domain part, so I'm a basically dentist. So it is from the app is from a basically dentist. So the knowledge and the scientific knowledge and whatever skills goes into it,
Absolutely.
so that is from a certified. And as we consider into the technology part, so we have a very good skill based team, and we have done a lot of R&D before we came up with the app, and still we are doing it, and we have a good hiring process. And the app and the scanner part, which is a very novel feature in the app, it is one of based on artificial intelligence, and it is one of the newest in the market. Okay. So nowhere any app is there at home till now that you can just take a picture, can put it in the app, and the app will tell you which disease you have, or it will help you. Okay, this oral hygiene you need to protect. You need to brush your teeth. So as and when the disease is there.
Okay. Okay, sir. So, please tell us about services offered by Denta Mitra.
Yes, services. The basically app is available in the Play Store and Apple Store.
iOS, right?
And yeah, yeah, it is as I said, it is an artificial based, intelligence based app. So the basic feature is the scanner, and the user can scan his teeth. They can track their oral health. Okay, we have got a questionnaire incorporated in the app so that they can daily to daily basis they can assess their oral health knowledge, and we have sweet score also incorporated so they can regulate their sweet intake also,
Okay.
and the various oral health tips we have given. So it's a basically all-round overall feature where a person can sit in the comfort of his bedroom. He can know about what is the status of his oral health, whether it is good and bad, and if any problem is there, he can further through virtual consultation. It is also virtual dentist based app. He can contact me as for any problems.
Okay, that is
So it
great.
is a one-stop dental solution in the near future.
Great. Like for someone who is just thinking of starting something in healthcare area, so what should be their approach initially?
Yeah, this healthcare industry is a little different from other industries.
Exactly.
So, if like for example, I am a doctor. So first thing, if someone is starting from the health, so he has to have some business knowledge. That is the first challenge we face. He has to have some business knowledge because domain knowledge of medical science will not work here. You have to have some very good knowledge of business operations and how to go about things. So that has to be there.
Okay.
And also, children, you have to have some financial investments. Okay, And above that, you have to have a novel feature. You have, before you start up, I want to tell anything that what startup should focus on a novel feature that is very novel and very unique, and it should be affordable, and it should be helpful in the healthcare, like it's daily to daily life, it should help, and every common man can use it. That should be the focus of any person coming in the startup in the healthcare.
Okay. So how were your initial days? And currently, are you facing any kind of risk?
Yeah, initial days were little tough, but as you know, there's a famous saying, "No risk, no gains." Okay,
Absolutely.
so that you have to take this risk. Okay, there was initial, there are challenges, still there are challenges, but challenges doesn't mean they will stop us. Okay, so that's where my good friend Satyajit came. He has been buddy. He's always by my side from day one, and whatever technology business operations he has handled, and he has guided me. And getting investment was also a big factor, big challenge in the healthcare industry. So we have received seed investments from Mr. Praveer and also from Satyajit Pradhan, who is also the board advisor. Okay. So in spite of the challenges and during this COVID situation, we are going still strong, and we hope to go strong and conquer, revolutionize dentistry in the near future.
Okay. So, as we all know that it is a tough time for all of us as the pandemic is going on. So, has COVID-19 affected your business, or it has acted as a catalyst in enhancing or providing benefit to your business?
Yeah, actually, as you know, from the March there was a lockdown.
Absolutely.
So in the dental profession also, dental clinics were shut. There was patients were not able to visit their dentist. So this our Denta Mitra was very useful to many patients, and they were constant. Many people are constantly using it, and I have done many video online consultations, virtual consultations with the patients also. There have been a great feedback from them also. So it was like a catalyst that the Dentamitra has improved, and it was accepted by many of the patients, and still now it has proved that yes, a catalyst, because everybody was locked in their homes, and everybody had dental problems, but they were not able to go outside. So I hope that people found this as an answer to their immediate solution.
Okay.
So Denta Mitra was very useful to many people during this hour.
Thank you so much for your service. And also, what do you think can be the biggest challenge due for entrepreneurs, especially in the industry we operate in?
Yeah, I first on the outset I'd like to tell that healthcare industry is very different from other industries.
Absolutely.
So yeah, because the basic thing you have, as I told you previously, that you have to have a novel idea.
Hmm.
Okay. The idea should be very pure, and you have to build trust. Okay. So it is not like any other industry, because health is not a tangible thing. Okay. It is not a materialistic thing. You have to feel it. Until and unless people have trust in you. So credibility you need to get. You need to get the credibility of the people. Then only people will come to you. Okay. Then what to say? Their financial challenges are also there. Okay.
Hmm.
And as I said previously, if you are into the healthcare industry, so obviously many startups in the healthcare industry, what I feel like, many doctors come up with the startup. Okay, so there is a challenge that proper business model should be created, and they should have proper business advice which can help them. And moreover, there are a lot of things like your security, okay, privacy things, because it is we are dealing with the health of the people. So mm, that should be maintained. Privacy nowadays is a very big subject, and people want to maintain that. So we have to consider all the aspects regarding this. And
Okay.
also, moreover, you have got to consider the affordability, and the whatever your idea is, it should be very cost effective. Then only it will be available. So I what I mean by a startup, if a startup is accessible, affordable, and cost effective, then definitely it will be acceptable by the people.
Okay, sir. So we have almost reached till the end. And my last question for you is, what would be that one advice you would like to give to someone who's just starting out?
Yeah, but starting out on the outside, uh, you you should focus on a very unique feature. Okay, pick up something out of the box. You should create some out of the box that nobody has thought. Then only it will work. And you have to have the patience and perseverance to go on with it. Like as we know, when we started we have come up with the app this year and beginning also. Then this COVID happened, but still we are facing a lot of challenges. But we are going through it. So the challenges will come up, and never to give up. So I will say never die, never say die. The attitude should be there, and challenges will be coming. You have to manage them and fulfill your dreams. You have a dream, just go for it. That's all. There will be a lot of obstacles. You have to come up with them. The financial, lot of obstacles will be there. But once there will be one day in your life, it will come in 5 years or 10 years, whatever the time span, that your dream will succeed and you will reach your goal. That's all I want to say.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a great pleasure having you here. Thank you so much for sharing your story with
Thank
us.
you so much. Thank you so much for the opportunity to have a live interview. Thank you so much. It was
Our
very my
pleasure.
pleasure talking to you. Yeah, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.